I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change oil in your BMW X1. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a socket wrench, an oil filter housing tool, and a suitable drain pan. Make sure you have about 5 quarts of the correct synthetic engine oil and a new oil filter. Next, safely lift your BMW X1 using a sturdy jack and place it securely on jack stands for stability. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe oil change process. Now, let's drain the old oil. Slide your drain pan directly under the oil drain plug, which is typically found on the underside of the engine. Using the correct size socket, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow all the old engine oil to completely drain into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Ensure the oil flow slows to a drip before proceeding to the next step. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter. Locate the oil filter housing, usually on top of the engine, and use your filter tool to remove it. Replace the old filter element with a new one, ensuring the O-rings are correctly seated. Next, install a new crush washer on the drain plug and securely retighten it. Finally, carefully pour approximately 5 quarts of fresh synthetic oil into the engine's oil filler cap. After refilling, start your BMW X1's engine and let it run for about 1 minute to circulate the new oil. Turn off the engine and wait a few minutes for the oil to settle. Then, check the oil level using your dipstick or the iDrive system to ensure it's within the correct range. Top off if needed. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Properly dispose of the old oil at an authorized recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.